In this shoe custom episode, we have a Marvel bad guy custom. What's up, YouTube? This is Orlando. In this project, we have an Air Jordan 1, the design, Venom and Carnage, the designer, Stomping Ground Customs. Now, look at these. You got that Travis Scott look, the Nike swoosh flipped backwards. And I just gotta tell you, the details on this shoe is just amazing. You got the line work, you got the textures, you got what's really cool is the white lining or the highlights on each of these shoes. You can just look in close and you can see there's character built with the two colors, the red, the dark black or dark navy. And then you got the Nike swoosh with each unique characteristic, each hand painted, each with its own feel and look for the character. This is just a beautiful shoe. You look at the toe, you got the mouth. Nothing changes on the tongue, but you got the two different laces, a unique style for each of these characters. And I just gotta say, these are hot. You can see in the comments, we got fire all over. I, again, love the backward swoosh. I love the color choices, the palette that was used. And just gotta say, Stomping Ground Custom, this Air Jordan 1 Carnage versus Venom Custom. The shoes, brilliant. Great job. Can't wait to see what you come up with next. Well, that's it. Please remember to hit that like and subscribe button. And please comment below and let us know what you thought about these kicks. Thanks as always, and see you in our next video on The Wall of Hype.